Hi there, thanks for clicking on the video. My name is Adrian, I'm one of the founders of Cademy, and today I'll give you a quick demo of our platform and tell you a bit more about who we are and what we're trying to build here. We are building the largest marketplace for courses in the UK so that people can come and search for classes on any topic, whether it's cooking or dancing or photography or anything else. Oops, clicked on the wrong button. Or anything else really. They search for that option, filter by delivery method, price, whatever matters to them, whether it's location or anything else. Pick a class that they like, pick a date and book with ease. And of course, our goal is to make it as easy as possible for people to find and book your classes. And by doing that, we're going to drive new bookings your way. So a lot of educators that we've been speaking with have a lot of extra capacity and they're struggling to find students to fill up their classrooms. So our goal in the long term is to build an easier way for them to attract students to their classes. In addition to that, we've spoken with educators of all sizes, from individual educators who run classes occasionally to large universities, and they've all been telling us the same thing, which is running classes and managing bookings is just a hassle. It's a lot of admin and it's just a pain. So we are building a lot of tools to help you manage that process a lot easier. So just to get started, I'd recommend that you go onto our website, follow calls to actions for educators to just set up an educator account. It'll take 30 seconds to have an account up and running, and once you do that, you'll be able to create classes and see what that's like for yourself. You can create simple classes or more complex courses that can be run on demand or in person, whatever you choose. So there's more options there. So if you want to set up your 8-week class with multiple dates within it, you can do that. But for this demo, I'll just show you what it's like to set up a quick class, example class, and I will configure it to run online, like most classes nowadays. I have my Zoom app installed, so I can click on this button to just create my link, set the spaces, set the pricing. I can add add-ons and extra kits and different pricing for different types of customers if I need to, but I'll keep it simple for this demo. I'll pick my category and I'll paste in a description that I have saved up. Nice and simple. I can leave my class to run on demand so people can request a date, or I can set my dates if I know when this class is going to be running anyway, which is what I'm going to do for this example. And that's pretty much it. You can see it took 30 seconds for me to create this example class. Absolutely simple. You can see it at all times a preview of what your class is going to be looking like, so there's no surprises at the end of the setup. And you can customize the booking form or the email that gets sent on the back of a booking, but the defaults are pretty fine, so you don't necessarily need to bother with those. I'll just publish my class, and there you go. It's live on the marketplace. So I recommend that you go and set up a class or two on Cademy. It doesn't take any time at all. When you want to set it, you can just forget it. On some of the books, you'll get an email and you'll see the booking within the market, within your admin as well. So you'll see the bookings pop in here. Now, if you want to take bookings through your social media, you can use Cademy for that as well. Anytime you set up an account as an educator, we'll immediately create a little landing page for you. So we'll have your landing page hosted on your own little domain, and you can just put that on your social media accounts as a link, and people will be able to visit that and book your classes with ease. So it's only your classes that are going to be listed, nobody else's. So there's no competition, and there's a very simple user interface for them to navigate and book classes. And they can do that just like so, nice and simple. If you have a website and you'd like to take bookings from there, you can do that as well. You can embed your classes on your website, and it takes just a couple minutes. It's very easy to do, and we're happy to help. It works with any website, no matter what platform you're hosting it on. And this is an example of an arts and crafts collective in Edinburgh that runs arts and crafts workshops. And you can see that their classes are listed within their website. It's nice and simple. It's very seamless. People don't necessarily know that they're interacting with a third-party system, and they don't need to be taken to a different website to be paying or finishing their booking. So it's nice and simple, and for you as an educator, it means that you have all your bookings from your website and from social media and from everywhere else in a single place. We are actually working on additional tools to bring your bookings from your existing booking platform or from websites like Eventbrite or anywhere else you might list into Cademy as well, so you have an overview of all your students in a single place without having to manage spreadsheets or other weird processes behind the scenes. Now, we hope that you're going to give Cademy a go. Go and set up a class, whether it's a simple one or a more complex on-demand one. You can do that and give us feedback, and just share what you'd like us to build to help you with the other processes and needs that you have. We're working on more messaging functionality, reviews, and as I mentioned, the ability to manage bookings from across a lot of different platforms. And if you're wondering how much does it cost and what's the pricing like, so there's more information on that on our website. So if you go into the educators page, you'll see a little breakdown of the pricing, but essentially it's a little markup that we add on top of every booking. So it's paid by the customer, it's paid by the student. It doesn't cost you anything at all. So it's similar to how Airbnb or Just Eat or Deliveroo, any of these platforms normally work. Once you've placed, when you picked your order and added your items to the cart, you get a little service fee at the end, which is usually goes to the platform, which is us. So that means it's a win-win for everybody. You get, if you list your class for £50, you'll get £50 on your bank account. We get £2, which covers the payment processing fee we will have to pay to Stripe, as well as our costs of running the service in general. And the customer gets a simple service at a good cost. It's a win for everybody, we feel. Right. Give Cademy a go, please, and please get in touch to share your feedback, or if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Take care.